If you was a coin dealer, what would you do with coins like this? Would you leave them like this and sell them and potentially at a discount because they are darker tones? Or would you do something like restore these coins or clean them or do anything at all in that regard? Sometimes coins like this, and you don't know it, will have a little PVC on them or something that might harm the coin. You don't always know that until green comes off if you use acetone, or you take Easy Zest and remove it and see the little pitting. So what would you do? These are potentially $25 to $30 coins. You want to definitely rinse off all of the easiest, make sure that it is gone. And we will do that properly with running water. And this one is, can use. Sometimes you got to put a little bit of pressure. You can see there's still some of the dirt, debris on it, whatever was on the coin itself. And this one here is probably about as good as it's going to get. I mean, you can use the Q-tips on it a little bit and just see if you can get it a little more of the toning off. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. These coins I picked, that's the facts here. All I'm doing this is that I picked these coins myself. These were coins that I felt were candidates for being restored back to an original, somewhat original. They were either high AU or uncirculated coins with the toning on them. They'd been in bags together. This is what happens to peace dollars and silver dollars in general when they're in bags together and they beat on each other. The alloy, the molecules migrate onto other coins, and all you're doing is removing that. You're not removing the original surface. That's what people don't realize. You're removing what the coins obtain from being in the same bags together, the same rolls together, and the same collections, just all banging around in the same holders or different things like that. That's what happens with some of these. So we're going to take them back and rinse them a little bit better than this, and I'm going to take a better look at them, a closer look at them. For the final rinse, I do use a little bit of pressure with my thumb. I recommend a pair of gloves for this. That way you make sure there's no slimy feel to it. Every bit of the substance that was on the coin, you want to make sure it's removed. And then you pat it dry. Each coin, I lay them out on paper towels. But this is the end result of what happened to these coins. You can see it doesn't remove the original toning. It doesn't remove natural toning or original layer. It doesn't scratch the coins. It's not that type of evasive cleaning. And I've talked about cleaning before. People have argued about, well, your every channel or these channels say you shouldn't ever clean your coin. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You should know which coins you can do this to before you clean them. This one here was already cleaned. You can see it now. You couldn't see that because it was pretty dark. If you look back at the earlier part of the video, you can see that. So this coin was already lightly cleaned a little bit, scrubbed on. So it's going to look clean whenever you brighten it up and you remove some of the dirt, some of the toning or whatever it was that was hiding it. Same with this one, but still yet, it is a more desirable coin now because it has less of that toning that's hiding the details, the beauty of the coin and the design that it was doing. Here's another one. These are nicer coins now. They will sell for a little bit more. So you got to determine whether it's worth it or not. The ones before would have been Stacker's Delight. I mean, it would have been in a bin and dealers would have sold those a lot cheaper. This is the best one out of the bunch. It really turned out really nice. Beautiful luster. Just a beautiful coin. I saw that as soon as I pulled it out. Very nice. So let me know in the comments, would you have done what I did to sell the coins, make a little more money on them? The one would probably go for 40 bucks instead of the $30. You make a little bit more money doing it. Didn't take that long. As you can see the video, it's not that long. Less than 15 minutes, 12 minutes or so for the whole process. I probably could have done it quicker, but I did it for you guys to show you my process. So please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.